All right, so anyway, I bought this socket set. Look, at Ross, it was 10 bucks. To open it, look, I think it's a Skil. I don't know, S-K-I-L, I don't know what that is. It's 22 pieces. I'm missing one piece, but it works really well. So some of them have a smaller connector, like this one here, where it would go like that, and you pop it off like that. And then the bigger ones come with the bigger side here, so let me put it in like this. And so I would need that big one here. That's how it goes on, like that. And then to get it off, I just kind of like pull it off. Sometimes I have to use two hands. All right, and so the big one, like that. Now that's on there, and it doesn't want to come off, right? So I'm going to show you how I get it off. You're going to see exactly how I do it. Watch this. So I can't get this thing off by pulling it. So what I do is I just come over here like this. We do it a little bit higher so you can see. Where there's a will, there's a way. So if you're going to tighten something, you want it to the right. If you're going to loosen it, you want it to the left, okay? So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey when you're using this side, okay? Now this one here is the opposite, right? Using this smaller side, righty-tighty is on the left and lefty-loosey is on the right. It's opposite. So when you're using this one, that's tight, that's loose. When you're using this one, that's tight, that's loose. All right, so know that when you do this. And yeah, it's a little handy-dandy little tool. Anyway, I've got to put these bolts in. So I'm going to be using this 1/2-inch ratchet and these bolts here. We're going to put them right into this hinge here on the door. So yeah, you guys can watch. All right, so I just got to get it started just a little bit like that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put her on here. And just turn her around like that. And it's going to take a while, so I may speed this up. Albert Einstein's looking at you. See him right there? Going in pretty good. Going in pretty good. I don't know if we need this many on here, but I'm just going to go ahead and put them in. Tighten them down. This one's a little loose, to tell you the truth. Yeah, that's pretty good. So we got 4 on there. Do you think we need one more? Got to see how many I've got. So I think I have enough to finish this door. So we'll put one more in. I mean, you know. What they say, you can't have too many. Probably. I just don't want to split the wood. But we drilled a hole, so it should just go right in. Should be almost there. I mean, they don't really want to go in very good, do they? I guess I can tighten it down. That's that. All right, so they're definitely in there. Hopefully that'll work. So our shed door for all of our equipment will be nice and tight because it gets a lot of salt on these things, and so they corrode very easily.